hands to pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and our elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning to everyone. I'm Sukirtan from Grade VIII Topaz. Brought you news. National news. Mahavir Hidma, topmost commander linked to the major attack on security forces. It was reported encounter in Andhra Pradesh, making a significant development against insurgency in the Basta region. International news. A special tribute in Bangladesh sentenced outside former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to death in Argentina in a decade-old case involving death during anti-crime operation in the interim government is reported seeking India's cooperation for her extradition while the UN has opposed the death penalty. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, myself K. Jaisimo of Grade VIII Topaz. Now I am here to tell state and sport news. State news, 45 people were killed in Saudi Arabia in bus crash. Sport news, 2026 Football World Cup qualifiers, Ronaldo gets red card as the Portugal loses, Ireland, France qualifies. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Shokrishna from Grade VIII Topaz. I am here to tell thought. Mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. I'll repeat it again. Mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Thank you. Everyone, today's word is brought to you by Shiva Krishna from Grade VIII Topaz. Word, gratitude. Being thankful for what we have and appreciating the people around us. Friends, please spell after me. Gratitude. Gratitude. Being thankful for what we have and appreciating the people around us. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Hasini from Grade VIII Topaz. Today I am going to speak about a word that changes our life, motivation. You know, a fresh morning brings new hopes, new dreams, new beginnings. Motivation is a strong energy that pushes us forward. It is inside voice says that don't give up, try one more time. You see all successful persons today, they did not succeed in single day. They have faced many failures, challenges, doubts, just like we do. But do you know what made them different? Yes, it's their motivation. Remember 4 things. An obstacle is too big. No dream is too far. Mistakes are the proof that you are trying. Small steps can make a big result. Only those who try, they can succeed. Motivation is not about being perfect, but it is about being better than yesterday. So friends, let us all be motivated and believe in yourself, because great things start with small steps and brave heart. Thank you. Have a motivated and wonderful Wednesday ahead.
Good morning to everyone. I am Niharika of Grade VIII Topaz and here my friend Swati. Today we are going to do conversation.
Hi Niharika, how was the day when you are participating in math quiz?
It was good, Swati, and I really liked the daily quiz content we had in the evening.
Yes, and I think the daily quiz are becoming one of the most school routine.
Absolutely, they make participants so energetic. I feel more awake after answering the questions.
Same here, and I like that the questions are from different topics and it's not at all boring.
True, it was fully mathematics related. That boosts the students' knowledge about mathematics.
I also noticed that everyone in our class taking seriously and even
The students who are quiet in class, they are trying to answer.
Yes, that's something I really appreciate. That quiz brings more positive competitive spirit.
And our teachers also encouraging us. They are explaining answer nicely. If we get something wrong, we should learn it properly.
Exactly. I feel like my memory power was improving. The short quizzes helps us to revise chapters without any pressure.
That's true, and I love our school. SR Vidyaniketan International Schools always bring new ideas for learning purpose.
Yes, they keep us engaged. I think this daily quiz idea helps us a lot in exams too.
For sure, and it's fun where whole class cheats if someone answers the question.
Yes, that makes a quiz more enjoyable.
It also, I was excited for next quiz competition. Wonder what topic it will be on.
Whatever it is, we'll try our best. We even practice together today.
It's good idea, Niharika. We'll do after the school.
Perfect. See you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very happy morning, everyone. I am Sankirtana from Grade VIII Topaz. Now I am here to ask GK question. Question for Grade 7. How many right angles make a full turn? Yes, with the correct answer. And the answer is 4. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Cost price is rupees 100 and profit is 20%. Then what is the selling price?
Where are you looking?
Yes, with the correct answer. And the answer is rupees 120. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. What is the product of the smallest prime number and the largest single digit number? 14. No, you did not pick the right answer. 18.
Mahesh, stand properly. Look at you.
Yes, you the correct answer. And the answer is 18. Let us appreciate them. Open questions. Question number 1. When does we celebrate International Day of Mathematics? I repeat again. When does we celebrate International Day of Mathematics?
March 14.
Yes, with the correct answer. And the answer is March 14. Let us appreciate them. When does we celebrate International Childhood Cancer Day?
What the question once again?
I repeat again. When does we celebrate International?
When do we celebrate?
When do we celebrate International Childhood Cancer Day?
February 15.
Yes, with the correct answer. And the answer is February 15. Let us appreciate them. Question number 3. A clock shows 3. What is the angle between the hour and minute hand?
90 degrees.
Yes, with the correct answer. And the answer is 90 degrees. Let us appreciate them. Question number 4. When do we celebrate International Day of Happiness?
March 20.
Yes, the correct answer. And the answer is March 20. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a short day.